Hey guys, Ben with IncomeOptionsTrading here on Monday, April 7th. Hope you guys are surviving a wild one today in the market. The largest point swing in the S&P 500 history from a point standpoint. Percentages were still higher back in COVID, but the fake news tweet that Trump was going to push the tariffs 90 days, delay those for 90 days, shot the market way up, and then the White House said, nope, that's fake news, and we came right back down, and then we pretty much stayed in a range the rest of the day. It's crazy when you look at these charts, just the range of here. I mean, down here it's 4,800, and up here it's 5,300. 500 points. I mean, that's 10% from the top to bottom. This inner range is just under 9%. I mean, it's crazy moves with the VIX right now in the 50 handle. We're looking at like 3% moves daily, expected moves. So it's just crazy times right now. One advantage of doing 0DT is every day I come in and I have no trades on. So day is closed, made 1385 today. Don't worry about it. What's going on overnight? I don't care if it drops 7%, hits a circuit breaker, or if it goes up 7%. It doesn't matter to me. For this account, I have another account that's short strangles that's really hurting, but this one is doing just fine. And we have these wild swings, but they've, for the most part, been inside days. So today was a lot of short put spreads, short call spreads, and rolling them in a couple times today. But it's overall, I've been positive every day since last week Thursday. So every day of the turmoil, I've been positive each day. So happy with the account right now. Probably taking a little bit heavier on the risk side, but I'm okay with that. I'm loosely following my trading plan, but you don't see VIX I don't see these moves really that often. When the market was down here shortly after the open, I saw somewhere that at that point it was the worst 3-day move in history. I don't know if that was, I'm guessing that was on a point basis. I think it was on the Dow, but from a point standpoint, it's been brutal out there, and I know a lot of people are hurting, especially longer term trades where you're short options. We don't want these giant moves, and most people are long, like 401ks, retirement accounts, and stuff like that. It's really hard, but I'm not trying to talk too much about this or talk it up, because I know it's real brutal for a lot of people. But I've been doing well, and hopefully the market maybe takes it easy from here. I guess we'll see if we zoom out. I mean, we're in free fall. Looks like at the bottom here we're back to spring of 2024. So this move has been brutal. It's been basically Thursday, Friday, and today. Today was up, or ended up basically unchanged. But in basically 2 days, we wiped out 1 year of gains, and that's tough for a lot of people. But in the long term, beginning of 24, we were lower than this. We were less than 4,800. So I always gotta scale back, take a look. If you wish you would have got in back here at 4,800, you could have got in at 4,800 today, or 480 on SPY ish. I don't have SPY up here, but take advantage of this. Slowly layer into some long stock positions if you want. Look at this over the long run. It might be brutal here for a couple days, weeks, months, even a year or two. Who knows how long this bear market. I don't know if it's technically a bear market because we didn't close in the correction or in under 20%. I know earlier today we were down 20% from the high, so I don't know how that's defined, but this bear market was a volatile period. Who knows how long it'll last? But if you look at it in 20 years, hopefully you're young enough for that. If you're looking 20 years out, we should be above where we're at now. So think about putting money into some long-term holdings and try not to do too much. With my short strangle account, I've been rolling calls down, but today I didn't do anything. And luckily I didn't, because I would have got whipsawed. But there's just at a point, with the short strangle positions that I have, I'm essentially long all I do them in the S&P, NASDAQ, and Russell. So I'm basically long those 3 ETFs or futures, which I'm okay with. Over the long term, I'm okay with being long those, bullish those. But right now, just with volatility up, it's hurting. It's showing a bigger loss than really what it should be. So once vol comes down, it'll be a lot better. Right now, vol is just through the roof. I think vol's not quite where it was Volmageddon August 5th here, but if we take out that day, we are we're quite high. We're back to 2020 levels of COVID, and before that, looks like a little bit here in 2015, but then it was 2008. So these are levels you don't see very often, every 5 to 10 years. So as tough as it is, try to take advantage of it. Take some cash and put it to long-term holdings. You don't have to trade with 100% of your account. I certainly don't. So take advantage of that. So hopefully you guys are surviving out there. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. It's been crazy. Stay small. Pay more attention to your trades and trade for tomorrow. So yeah, trade small, stick around, and we'll get through this. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow.